Hi, welcome to part 7. We are going to talk about the data that you actually need to understand your renewals better. If your renewal data is messy, everything falls apart. Our discussion stops right now. Most companies, they track only one number, which is the overall retention rate. And that's not enough, not even close. And here's what you actually need. You need to understand the retention by cohort. What percentage of your 2022 customers they renewed in 2023? 23 customers, what percentage of that renewed in 2024? You see where I'm going with this? You need to be able to see those trends, be able to share those trends. Are the cohorts better? Are they getting better or are they getting worse? By segment, look at the enterprise versus mid-market versus SMB. Look at industry verticals. Look at use cases, which segments are working and which are not. Look at by product lines. If you have multiple products or tiers, how does each of those perform? Look at the leading indicators. What are the leading indicators? Look at the product usage. Look at the support ticket trends, payment behavior, how actively engaged are the execs, what are those? These are a group of factors that impact renewal outcomes. So a buyer will come in and ask you for all of this. If you don't have it clean and ready, they'll assume the worst. They'll discount your valuation. Happen. 85% overall retention rate. It was decent. Take it down for the life of me. They didn't have the information down by cohort or by segment. The data was a mess. The buyer assumed retention was deteriorating and weak segments were hiding in the average. The valuation was dropping, 2 multiples? What clean means? Accurate. It has to be reconciled. It has to be auditable. You need to be able to go back at least 2 years, ideally 3 to 4 years. Consistent definitions. Are you measuring gross revenue retention or net revenue retention? Are you including expansions, downgrades? Everyone is using the same definition. Just to make sure that this information is updated regularly. This is not a once in a year lifetime exercise. You should be updating retention data monthly. Step 1 would be to audit what you have. Pull your renewal data for the last 3 to 4 years. By cohort, by segment, well, start doing it right now. The infrastructure, because you need to be able to connect your billing system to your analytics. Data flows. You shouldn't be manually calculating retention rate across all of these different slices in spreadsheets every month. Create the dashboards. The dashboard should show the overall trends. The dashboard, it shows all of the different cohorts, geographies, industry verticals, whatever. Those dashboards visible to the leadership and share it. Before I work with, spent 3 months cleaning the renewal data. 3 months. It was a painful exercise, but when they went to market, buyers saw years of clean, improving data. They saw pre-valuation. That data work was worth millions and millions of dollars. Key takeaways from this. 1, retention by cohort, by segment, by product. Retention numbers, they simply hide the problems. And they will find the problems during diligence anyway. Data going back 3 years is worth millions in valuation. Start this now, not when you're ready to sell. It happens to be a final episode, by the way. Before we go over the summary, I'm showing you how to create the systems that buyers love to see. The playbooks, the processes, the documentation. It earns premium multiples. So don't miss it. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.